Hi everybody, welcome back to Time Agent. Today, sadly, if you didn't know, I had a hamster, but sadly, we think she's sick and she might die soon. Hopefully she doesn't, but if you want to see her face, I don't know if you can, but she's right there. And hopefully he makes it.
It's okay, girlie.
This is what we're doing today. And
She's really soft.
right there. She's very soft. Hopefully she makes it.
Yeah.
But that's it for today, everybody.
Yep.
Bye. And remember, stay amazing.